Dreamcore and nostalgic liminal space videos are blowing up on social media right now, pulling tens of millions of views effortlessly. The pastel colors, surreal floating objects, and hypnotic camera motion lock viewer attention. Watch what I created using AI in just 2 minutes. No time wasted, let's get it started. Today, I'll show you 2 completely free prompt workflows to create Dreamcore videos. Workflow 1 creates a single 10-second video that morphs through multiple surreal scenes in one go. Workflow 2 creates multiple continuous videos covering one scene from different cinematic angles. To get my master prompts, comment the word dream down below and I will reply with the prompt pack directly. While you're at it, drop your ideas for what niche you want me to break down in upcoming videos. Liking the video and subscribing to the channel would be phenomenal. Let's start. For our first prompt, open ChatGPT and paste master prompt 1. Hit enter and ChatGPT immediately presents 2 distinct 5-scene Dreamcore themes. Type option A or option B. ChatGPT compiles all 5 scenes into a single 10-second continuous transformation prompt with second-by-second timestamps. Copy this prompt, head over to Google Flow, select video mode, set your aspect ratio to 9:16 vertical, choose OmniFlash as your model, paste the prompt, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, your morphing Dreamcore sequence is ready. Now for prompt 2, which is the secret to getting longer watch time and higher retention. Open ChatGPT and paste master prompt 2. It will give you 10 pastel Dreamcore concepts. Type the number you like, and ChatGPT automatically expands that single world into a 3-shot continuous package. Shot 1 is your wide establishing view, shot 2 is a close-up macro detail glide, and shot 3 is an elevated infinite aerial reveal. Copy each prompt into Google Flow with OmniFlash to render all 3 angles in sequence. For consistent video extract, last frame of video, or add last video direct to prompt. This will create your object and videos consistent. Download your rendered clips and bring them into your video editor. I'm using CapCut. If you use Workflow 1, drop your 10-second loop and stack a dreamy synth pad with soft wind ASMR. If you use Workflow 2, line up your 3 angles in order: wide, macro, and aerial reveal. Smooth out the cuts, export in 4K, and let's watch the final results together. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.